welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Tina. Now, Tina has a lot to say. Guys need to go catch a video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating a wonderful birthday today, happy birthday. And I wish you happiness and prosperity throughout this year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, and you may call me, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day today.
Right? The kids then probably grew up in our environment when she never have it. They remind her of her struggles too much. You know what I mean? They remind her of when she was poor. She probably wasn't even ready because she was so young when she gave birth. So she probably not have no connection with them pitney there because them the day here and it's, you know, some woman have pitney just for have pitney. Them not really have that motherly bond with their children. You know? Them not have no motherly love with them children. You understand? And maybe that's what it is. There's a detachment between her and her kids. Right? And no hug, no, oh baby, I love it. That's gone. That's null and void. Missing from their relationship. Because I get a liberty, really. And I know she alone stays so. Enough other mothers stay so. Especially ghetto mothers. Enough of them stay so. Them just have pitney for have pitney. So basically, I wish where I read she now. She have pitney just for have pitney. Now them grown now, she just kind of there on them for their own them because guess what? She they are foreign. She they are foreign. 857-209-6095 if you don't want to call in. You don't have to call. Image, you don't have to call. Me and you just said that whole reason about the video where we sit this morning with her. I would just say that share look at pointers. But they want you to repeat the pointers then when you share. You know? But don't want you share nothing about your life. Just share look at pointers and how ghetto people struggle and all them things there. You know what I mean? 857-209-6095. Fabian is an article girl. So, I like when Fabian reason. Call in, man, Fabian. 857-209-6095. Call in and just say, yo, you know, we're talking about the video when she called out the mother this morning. And I tell the mother, and I talk about how the mother left her pitney and stuff like that. And da. I did share your views on it. 857-209-6095. The number is open. Call me on WhatsApp if you want. It's there. If not, we're going to move on to the next topic. You understand me? But the whole we are an idiot out here. You hear me, Donna? We're an idiot. We're just, me personally speaking for myself, I choose not to go there. Your other enemies, them will go there. But me kind of different. Me kind of, yeah, you know. And to be quite honest with you, if I want to go there, I am obligated to go there because of the shit that you did to me. I'm obligated to go there more than anybody else out there. Me are the one who obligated to go there with you. But I said, you know what? Leave it alone. You get me? Yeah, man. Leave it alone. And me sit down. Me know. Me not need for digging up. Me know already. Me see already. Sense it. Me don't need for dig. It there right there in front of my face. Because, again, I'm a spiritual girl. I'm not stupid. You did it. You understand? Me don't need for dig. You get me? With all the lies and all them I drag my daughter and I put my daughter out there and stuff like that. And this also, yeah, and I sit down and tell the people them to stop our friend them what she promote. And she promote our friend them, you know. And our friend them I drag my daughter, you know. And she just sit down there and not say nothing, you know. You understand? And she promote them people there. She. So anybody obligated for drag her or me? Yeah, man. And if they want to go in deep on our kids, then I could because I would be obligated to do that because of what she and her friend them do. What? Tina, she replied, she says, stay out of Mountain View business. Come stop, we know. Who said that? Who said that? Who said for stay out of Mountain View business? Me never know. Well, if you want people for stay, if them want people for stay out of Mountain View business, don't come live. Don't do a public live. Don't do a public live. If you want people for stay out of Mountain View business, don't do public lives. Do a live that's a Mountain View people only. Do a private life where Uncle Mountain View people can sit down and watch you. Why are you doing a public live? And then I said people for stay out of Mountain View business. No, I'm watching. It's public. What the hell are you talking about? Exactly. Exactly, blessed one. Bubbles, who said that? Bubbles, respond, man. Who said stay out of 99 business or whatever? Who said that? Huh? Don't put it on the internet where people can see it. Because just like how your friend them a drag my daughter, find my daughter page and I drag my daughter and I troll her. These big whole hardback donkeys, find my little young daughter page and I troll her. That's why you're protecting yours. That's why you are protecting yours, because you know what the internet gives. My daughter not trouble them, and them go find my daughter page and I troll her. These grown bullies, these adult bullies. But you want to protect yours. You want to protect yours. But you want to send your grown bullies to bully mine. Interesting. Right? Interesting. Interesting. You want to send your grown bullies to bully mine because you can't have nothing nicer. You can't have nothing nicer. Come my kids them nice. Come my grandkids them nice. You can't have nothing nicer. So I'm miserable on the internet. Miserable. Some of you cannot give birth. Barren. But she talk about stay out of 99 business. She a bad girl round here. She is not no bad girl round here. Cutty ranks on a bad girl. Cutty ranks on a bad girl. Cutty ranks can't even run 2 miles per hour. Right, Cutty ranks? You're bad with your mouth. Tiger claws. Tiger claws. You're bad with your mouth. You can't even run. You can't even lift your hand if you go bloop. You can't even go so. Do this. Do this. Do this. You can't even do that. Can't even do that. Because you're so too heavy. You're so too heavy for you. Can't even do that. So you go like you're a bad girl. So you're in the ghetto. But when you're over here in America, you're very meek and mild and humble, like a good little child. When you're in a Uncle Sam country, you're humble and meek and mild, like a little child. Keep the same energy. Keep the same energy. forgot. Me don't know who did that make she boss. You see that woman face? Her face favor like when Batty squeeze up. Yeah, look on her. And as she walk and through social media, look on this, look at this thing here. Walk come tell people. But, wanna see that video here? Wanna see that video here? Y'all saw that video? Wanna see that video there today? She do the video like my girl there. She don't run the social media around here. That's why them bad things they are going on social media. Because she thinks she a boss. Yeah? Wanna see that video there today? Our chips getting up. Wanna see that video there today? She put out the girl personal business. Yes, she did. So she's sending a message. Put out the girl personal business on social media, but nobody must talk about hers. What she put out on social media. She put out the girl business on social media with her big mouth, but nobody must talk about her business that she put out on social media. Is that fair? Is it fair that you could come out and humiliate somebody that you have not seen in so many years? It's not fair. You didn't make a telephone call. You didn't do any background checks. Nothing you did. Just come out and brawling with the people in business. Did y'all see this video today? Of her watching the video inset. The inset video. Like what the girl name in England with her Nigerian husband usually do. Yeah, she's doing it now. Tell me if that woman is not sick. She's doing it now. See her here? A moment of silence. A moment of silence. Go watch the video. Go watch the video and see if I'm lying. Go and watch the video and see if I'm lying. Let me show you what it looked like on her Facebook page. Go watch it. That video. Go watch it real quick. With the berry on. Go watch it. And laugh out Ross. I'm giving y'all something to laugh about. Go laugh. Go watch it. She have more Coco. Coco have things to do. Coco have things to do. A long time she don't get her big foot wash. Where the foot lady there? If you put up her foot, her big plank them and scrub them. Where the lady is there? If you put up her big dirty foot there and scrub them. Her foot them big like chocolate foot. Or bigger. Them have a right for call themselves plank. Some big dirty hoof pan that they foot there. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Where the foot lady there? Where the foot lady not come yet? A long time, I see she cock up on her sidewalk and cock up her foot in the tub. I met the lady there. I scrub out. Scrub. To get that shit out. Scrub. By the way, guys, guess what? So, let's move on. Broken Beth. Y'all didn't hear what happened with Broken Beth? Listen. Broken Beth got a visit today, it seems. No, you can't even believe him, you know. Really and truly. You can't really believe him because sometimes I wonder if I lie him I tell. You know, like him just tell a story for hype. You never know. Like, the way that boy they lie, it's like you never really know if a true or a lie or what him a tell truth. So let's entertain him, right? So this morning when I was on my live, I see somebody write say inspector or something of that nature. I can't remember the exact statement. So me know, come off of the live, figure fast, but him did still live. So me just say, I'm just come off and I got beard and do what I need for do and get me day started. So while me stung the know I have my little egg sandwich now, me start watch it. And I watch it and he must say them coming in him shop, but he was never there. And remind me if I forget anything. He was never there. And them call him for some papers, but him said to the man say, hey, I'm not there right now, you know, so you have to blah, blah, blah. Whatever the man, I don't know. But, them not find nothing. And that's it. And the people, them tell me, say, is a Facebook Live. Them find it pan. And me say, is a Facebook Live, them find it pan. So, and he just told the guy that he's live. And him tell the man say he's live and this is where they got it from and stuff like that and blah blah blah. And I was like, what the hell is that? Like what are you talking about? What the hell is that? Right? And I'm listening and I'm like, what is this? What is this nonsense? Hold on, I hit the wrong person. I'm sorry. Joe, I hit you. Sorry. Oh my God. Did I block Joe? Oh my God. Okay. Sorry. 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 So he was there talking about, they came and they didn't find nothing. And little chip of something on the ceiling and stuff like that. I wasn't really listening. But regardless of that, he looked kind of shook. He was just driving around like he was lost. Are you okay? Are you okay, sir? Are you okay? Because I hear you over there talking about, wickedness can done and how people wicked and how you over there and people just wicked and people are harassing you. Broken Beth. Like, do you listen to yourself when you hear it, when you accuse people, when me sit down there, see? Cause me did I wait for the frigga call me name, you know, man. Like when me love call me name, you know. Me say me did I wait. Me did I wait for the frigga call me name. I was so waiting for his ass to call my name because everything this look a frigga call me name. Everything, you know. So see me, I know. I watch and I scroll through it. Call me, I wait for hear him call my name now. Right? Because this is somebody who does not accept responsibility. He doesn't, you know what I mean? Yes. And then me go over Kazim page. Kazim in a party. I broke it off and I go on with himself. I say, wow, what a relationship. Me said to them, me see tall one. Me see my drive up and down in a London, drive and him face look like shit. I say, so why him look so? Why? I mean, if you're okay, why you looking like life done by you? Why you looking like that? Like he shook or something. And then he goes on to say he hasn't gotten an inspection since before COVID. Since before COVID. And it's funny, you know, because when the thing was put